Welcome back to the channel, where we make money simple and actionable. If you're in your 20s or 30s and still struggling with money, it's not your fault. No one taught you the rules. The choices you make now will either set you up for freedom or keep you stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Today I'll show you how to take control of your finances and build a solid foundation, step by step. This isn't just another video, it's a workshop to change your financial life. Grab my ebook, Mastering Financial Intelligence for Deeper Strategies. The link's in the description. Let's fix your finances for good. You can't fix what you don't understand. For the next 30 days, track every dollar you spend, no exceptions. Use a spreadsheet, a notes app, or a budgeting app. The tool doesn't matter, the habit does. You'll be shocked by where your money actually goes. Subscriptions, takeout, impulse buys. This isn't about guilt, it's about data. Once you have a month of spending, categorize it. Housing, food, entertainment, debt, and more. This is your financial truth, the baseline for all progress. You'll spot leaks in spending that doesn't match your values. Maybe you're spending more on streaming than you realize, or eating out way more than you thought. With this awareness, you can redirect your money to what matters. Instead of your money controlling you, you control it. This step is the foundation for everything else: budgeting, saving, and investing. Without it, you're just guessing. See the leaks, patch them, and move forward with intention. This is the most boring but most crucial step. Do it for 30 days, and you'll never look at your money the same way again. Knowledge is power. Start building yours. Ready? Let's move to the next step. Now that you know where your money goes, it's time to budget. But not the restrictive kind. Think of a budget as a plan for freedom, not a straitjacket. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Needs are essentials: rent, groceries, transportation, minimum debt payments. Wants are the fun stuff: dining out, hobbies, entertainment. Savings and debt repayment build your future. If your income is tight, focus on covering needs first, then cut costs and look for ways to boost income. Your budget is a living document. Adjust as your life changes. The goal isn't perfection, but control. Tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. This simple plan is your roadmap to financial freedom. Don't overcomplicate it. Start simple, stay consistent. Review and tweak monthly. The key is to stick with it. Let's tackle debt next. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is a financial emergency. It's burning down your future with every passing day. Paying the minimum does almost nothing. You need to attack it aggressively. Two proven methods: avalanche, pay off highest interest first, or snowball, pay off smallest balance first. Avalanche saves you the most money. Snowball gives you quick wins. Pick the method you'll stick with and go all in. Free up cash in your budget to throw at debt. Pause extra savings or investments if needed. Paying off a 20% interest card is like getting a guaranteed 20% return. This is a short-term, all-out war. Win it, and you unlock your income for wealth building. List your debts, make a plan, and start today. Every extra dollar goes to your top priority debt. Celebrate each payoff. It builds momentum. Once the debt is gone, redirect those payments to savings and investing. Don't let debt steal your future. Next, let's build your safety net. Your first line of defense is an emergency fund. Aim for $1,000 to start, enough to cover most small emergencies. This keeps you from falling back into debt when life happens. Don't wait to save 3 months' expenses. Start small, build the habit. Automate your savings. Set up a transfer right after payday. Even $5 a week adds up and builds momentum. Once you hit $1,000, aim for 1 month of expenses, then 3. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account, separate but accessible. This fund is your buffer against disaster and your ticket out of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It gives you peace of mind and lets you take smart risks. Don't skip this step. Security comes before growth. With your safety net in place, you can focus on building wealth. Saving is a habit, not a one-time event. Start now, no matter how small. Next, let's talk about boosting your income. More money means faster progress. You can only cut expenses so much. There's a limit. But your income? That's unlimited. The fastest way to speed up your financial goals is to earn more. Start with your current job. Ask for a raise, take on new responsibilities, or learn new skills. Don't wait for a small annual bump. Be proactive. Explore side hustles, freelance, gig work, digital products, or content creation. The gig economy is full of opportunities if you're willing to put in extra hours. Even an extra $200 a month can make a huge difference. Use new income to pay off debt, build savings, or start investing. Don't accept your current income as fixed, see it as a starting point. Every extra dollar shortens your path to freedom. For more ideas, check out my ebook linked below. Now let's make your money work for you. With your emergency fund set and debt gone, it's time to invest. Investing is how you build real wealth. Start as early as possible, even with $50 a month. Time is your biggest advantage, thanks to compound interest. Don't stress about picking stocks. Use low-cost index funds or ETFs. Start with your workplace retirement account, especially if there's an employer match. That's free money. Next, open a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Invest consistently, no matter what the market's doing. This is called dollar-cost averaging. Don't try to time the market or panic when it drops. Set up automatic investments and let them grow for decades. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slowly plan that works. Your 20s and 30s are your golden ticket. Habits now have massive impact later. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, start small. Let time and consistency do the heavy lifting. Investing is the engine of your financial future. Now let's talk about mindset. All the tactics in the world won't stick if your mindset is holding you back. Many of us have limiting beliefs about money, scarcity, guilt, or feeling undeserving. These beliefs can sabotage your progress. Start by noticing your self-talk. Is it full of "I can't" or "I'm learning"? Upgrade your inputs. Surround yourself with positive educational content and people. Shift from scarcity to abundance. Believe there's enough and you can create more. Focus on solutions, not problems. Celebrate small wins. They build confidence and reinforce your new identity. Mindset is a daily practice, not a one-time fix. Your past doesn't define your future, your actions do. See money as a tool for freedom and impact. This is the final piece that makes your progress permanent. You now have the 7-step playbook to take control of your finances. Don't just watch. Pick one step and take action this week. Consistency beats perfection. Small steps add up. The goal isn't just more money, but more freedom and choices. Share your best money habit in the comments and help others on their journey. Like, subscribe, and check out my ebook for more real-world tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.